An intro with a bare face? What has the world came to? What? Anyway, hey guys, we are trying out a new quad. So these are called Glam quads, makeup by Mario. This one is, let me see here, Bronzy Glam. It says, I created these quads for effortless eye looks, highly pigmented shades, and a mix of matte and metallic finishes. Deliver glam vibes from natural to dramatic. We'll see about that when we get into applying this. But yeah, we have this baby here. Also, if you are new here, I always want to let you guys know I use all natural lighting here on my channel. I do not want colors to be different, for them to pop more, for the metallics to pop more. Of course, if you're holding a light right in front of your eyes, they're going to pop more and they're going to look more glittery. These are going to look on me how they're going to look on you at home. So I always use natural lighting. Also, this is our 7 days of giveaways. We are doing a giveaway in 7 videos straight. I have one before this one. I'll link it up here. And then today we have another giveaway. So don't forget to enter those. And of course, the next 5 we have as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. If you do, I hope you subscribe if you haven't already, and let's hop in. All right guys, overlook all these flyaways. I honestly don't know why they're so bad, but it is what it is. So let's get into some swatches. Of course, we're gonna swatch the 3 shimmer shades. This one feels kind of dry, honestly, but we'll see. Yeah, okay. It's kind of dry, kind of not coming off very well. Let's go into this one. Let me pull my sleeve up here. All right, that one's better, but I am putting quite a bit of pressure on my finger. And then we'll go with this guy. Okay, that one's not bad. These are, let me get up closer here for you guys. I mean, they're not great, honestly. Let me grab a brush and let's try that. Normally, I always use my fingers. I think that really gives you the best pigment, but these might be different. Let's grab this guy right here. It comes off on the brush nicely. Yeah. It's way better with the finger. With that, it's pretty well non-existent. Wow. All right, let me get some on the brush and wet it. We're just going to cover all of our bases here. It is on the brush. Let's grab some Fix Plus. Spray it a little bit. Kind of do this number here. And yeah, still not great. This is wet right here. Yeah, it's not great. The finger by far is the best. I'm just gonna be honest and say that that was actually quite disappointing. And with only 1 matte in the palette, you know, okay. I already have, of course, primed the eyelids. I'm gonna take this guy right here and put it on the lid where we don't have a lot to work with. Yeah, these are just very standard shimmers. Like, I don't think it's straight up metallic. I think it's just standard shimmer. Nothing great about it. It's, I mean, you guys can see it. It's not even like super wow. It's just a shimmer. I'm going to, why not, grab this guy. We'll put it closer to the inner half. And It lightened it a smidge, but it really didn't do much. You guys can see. Ugh. Okay. Okay. I'm kind of taken back. I expected these to be really good. I mean, really good. So it is not that. But hey, you know, hey. All right, let's start with the matte now. The one and only matte that we have. And I'm gonna put this right in the crease. And just kind of blend back and forth. And then I'm gonna grab a smaller brush. We're gonna intensify this because this is still very blah. We got a bit more pigment. Wow, pigment. Be great if I could say that word. We got a bit more pigment, but it looks very warm in the pan. On the eye, it's really not coming off super warm. I'm going to grab a clean brush and start blending this upward. It's kind of not moving like I want. Normally, most shades already would be blending out. This is not doing that. All right, I'm gonna take some on my actual brush because I want, you know, you want to blend out shadows. So I'm gonna lightly start laying this down and then blending up towards the brow. And of course, where there was only 4 shades, I wanted to just do kind of an everyday look, kind of my go-to techniques. I thought about doing a halo eye, but I don't know. I wanted to use this how I would normally use it. I wanted to give my honest opinions on it. This is just not working at all how I expected it to work. Let's try packing this on a little bit. Oh, this is normally the brush I use for packing a matte on the lid. All right, and let's put this. You guys see, it's just, I mean, it takes quite a bit to build it up. It's not near as warm as I thought it would be. It looks more neutral on the eye. Like it takes a lot of, it takes more work, I guess, than I expected. I expected this to just be a breeze at blending. I expected these, I mean, there's friggin' 3 in here. So I expected 3 shimmers to really be metallics and just pop like crazy. They're not. And if I was choosing, I would have done 2 mattes, 2 shimmers, even 3 mattes, 1 shimmer. I mean, your mattes are what really give you the dimension in the look. So I don't know. I mean, it's okay, but this little quad is $25. Like $25. I'm honestly not even going to finish the face. I'm not. I'm gonna remove this. I don't think it was bad. I could have made this look work, honestly, but it's not good. It's not great. You can use it, but you could get drugstore palettes that are better than this. Better. Not as good, way better than this. No, I do not recommend this, you guys. It's not great. Okay, boop, we're gonna get that out of the way. I'm so sorry I'm not finishing this, but to be honest, it's nothing great, and I don't want to do my whole face and do the other eye to just remove it and put something else on. Yeah, sorry, brutally honest. Let's get into today's giveaway, shall we? Alrighty, today, overlook this mess, we are giving away a $20 Sephora gift card. So I got this from Sephora, of course. I wanted to stick with the theme, $20 gift card. I do not recommend you guys purchasing this. So find something else you like, whether it be skincare, makeup, body wash, whatever it is. But yeah, this is today's giveaway, and all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like the video, hop over to my Instagram and follow me over there, and then just leave me a comment, any comment you'd like, and make sure you tell me how to get a hold of you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was, I mean, this is the way it goes. It was not expected, but I mean, sometimes we start doing our makeup and it goes south, or we just don't like it, and that's what this channel is all about, honesty. I'm not gonna pretend I like it. I'm not gonna do this other eye and come back on just to tell you guys the exact same thing. I don't like it. I mean, I don't. I used it and I don't like it. So I'm sorry, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my honesty here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. And then I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.